friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see how to make a homemade paintbrush. Already we have seen the homemade paintbrush, but I think so. Notice everybody have thrown the empty pen refill and pens. So only also this time I have taken one more thing, but this is not for the outlines. This is for inside painting. Okay. For that required materials, mainly broomstick. Okay. Also, like this broomstick you can take. Otherwise, like this also you can take. Little bit similar to plastics. Okay. I'm going to show with this plastic. Okay. Okay. I'm going to show it with this normal thing. Okay. With the coconut tree, that one they will do, right, that one. For that, now we are going to cut this little bit down. We can cut. Okay, little bit, take it. Now it's clear, right? Little bit, but in plastic one like this will be sweet, little bit thicker, but this one will be, I think so it will be good. So I have taken this one. Now cut a little bit. Okay, in this here, little bit. Okay, like this, very little bit. Now we can cut it at here. Okay, like this we have cut it. Now we need any chopstick or any stick you can take, little bit thicker. Okay, this one is my chopstick. Always I will use to mix something. Okay, one piece, I'm having the both piece, but I'm using this with I'm not using this. Okay, so I'm going to use this for this. This is made with the bamboo. Okay, in shop, in supermarket, you will be seeing a bamboo sticks. Okay, it's a little bit costly, but it's okay. It is worthful, right? You can buy. Unless you can take any sticks also. Keep it like this. Okay, like this. Insert it at middle. Okay, like this. And we need a tape, clear tape or any color tape or glitter tape, any tape that you wish. If you want to decorate it, you can decorate it with a glitter tape or color tape. Okay, but I'm having clear tape itself, so I'm taking the clear tape. I'm not gonna waste this. Oops. A little difficult to find it out. You can take any little bit piece of paper or chart paper and you can keep it at the end to find it very easy, but I'm not using that. I will self find it out because it's a little bit easy for me to find it. Okay, like this, roll it. Be carefully. I will sometimes also this broom with the broomstick. The broomsticks will come out. So roll it very well. So I have rolled it. Now at here we can cut it. Still that is the steak, and I'm going to leave some space and cut it here. Okay, at here. See friends, I have cut it. Now homemade paintbrush was ready. It's very nice, but the stick is little bit visible. It's okay. When we are painting only at the end, we are going to paint. It was very nice. Also, you can keep more amount of this. I mean, the more amount of broomstick, and you can stick, but I'm not gonna do that one. Okay, I can do and show you. Okay, also still little bit amount of broomstick I can keep it here, and I can stick it, and I can show you. Because here itself little bit it was left, right? I have sticked it. Now I have also cut it evenly. Okay. Now all our homemade paintbrush was ready. It will work very nice. It was very nice to use. Also this in any thickness you can do. I have done in this much amount of thickness. Okay, in any how much thickness you can, that much thickness you can do. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share for your friends, so don't miss any videos from Bilmam Taft. Thank you friends, bye, have a nice day. It worked very nice, so one thumbs up. And if you like this video, click on the like button, and if you need to see my videos regularly, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, and click on and press on the all button so you don't miss any video from Minecraft. Thank you friends, bye.